মাননীয় অপোজিশন লিডার মহোদয় যেটা বললেন, উই আর নট কনসার্ন, এবং তার উদাহরণস্বরূপ দেখুন রেডি আছে আমাদের। সেটা কি আমাদের ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ম্যাজিস্ট্রেট যে গুমতি জেলার উনি দিয়েছেন টু দ্য সেক্রেটারি টু দ্য অনারেবল চিফ মিনিস্টার, যে subject intimation regarding rescue of human skull from the Kallan Sagar lake of Matabari temple and the present scenario thereof. Ki likhechen, sir, with reference to the subject cited above, this is to inform you that one human skull has been found floating in the Kallan Sagar lake of Matabari temple on 12/7/2023 early in the morning. The police have rescued it immediately and they are investigating the matter. Police authority has been told to find out whether this act is committed mischievously or not. It is observed that there isn't any major resentment reported among local public. As per his opinion, in addition to the police investigation, CCTV footage of surrounding area was watched, but no clear inputs in this regard should be obtained. Such activity has been conducted yesterday in the Kallan Sagar Lake by the trained deep divers from the 5th Battalion TSR to find out remains of rest part of the human body, if any, but nothing could be detected. The said search operation will be continued today also. Necessary steps to follow religious sentiments and avoiding of traditional practices like preventing entry to Kallan Sagar for next 42 days, etc. have been taken. It is further informed by the police authority that the said skull has been kept in the Gumuti District Hospital, Tepania, for postmortem. This is for your kind information. So this is the